the concept of yourself. Okay. Right now, how do you feel about yourself? Be as honest as possible. Do you feel abundant? Do you feel like you're the one for success? How do you feel about yourself? Don't live in imagination. Be in this present. So you want to breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. How do you feel, about yourself now? How do you feel about yourself? It can be positive or negative. You're not telling anybody. Write down a couple of notes though. How do you feel about yourself? Really honestly. When you look in the mirror, do you feel yourself beautiful? A sexy ass person? Or do you feel yourself ugly, overweight? It's very important because that feeling is why you look that way. You're self-sabotaging yourself because your concept of yourself is one that I'm always overweight. I always have this excess weight. Okay. Now, that's not most people on this call. Okay, so I'm just giving you an example though, because usually you can feel that the essence as well. Okay. When you look into the mirror, do you really believe you're the one for your goal? You can say yes, you could say no, it doesn't matter. Keep that to yourself though. Okay. Do you buy yourself the best type of stuff? When you study, do you allow people to call you, text you, interrupt you? If so, it's usually a sign that you're not giving yourself valuable time away from everything else to improve yourself. You wouldn't probably do that on an appointment, right? I wouldn't pick up my phone right now because I'm with all of you. Same thing for your clients, your students, your personal trainer, whoever you serve. You wouldn't probably pick up the phone while you're talking to them, right? Why would you do it for yourself then? When you're in your own appointment for yourself. Okay. I'm not saying, I would imagine maybe one person on the call needed that. Definition of a concept. It's an abstract idea, a general notion. Concepts are the fundamental building blocks of our thoughts and beliefs. Those are just dictionary definitions. And we are free to choose any concept of ourselves. We have to, one, desire that concept, and then two, believe it's true. How do you believe it? Repetition over and over and over. Emotionalizing it. There, for instance, you have the power to choose the concept of yourself. You have the power to control the path of your future. So cool. So cool. The higher concept of yourself, it already exists. It's already within you. It's bringing it to the surface, the power that already exists within. I think all of you understand that. In Thomas Schroer's Hidden Power, he talks about that. It says it's not some higher power that we have to persuade to help us. It already exists there. You already have it. It was given to you for free. You don't have to pay for it. Sometimes you have to pay to get knowledge to understand how to be more aware of that, but it's already there. That which you do not claim as true for yourself cannot be realized by you. So sometimes I'll talk to people outside the program, to really trying to help some people. They say, well, why I can't tell you're telling me I should say I'm rich, I'm prosperous, I'm abundant, and I'm not. I live in a physical reality where my wallet's empty, something like that, or this, that, the other thing, you name it. So, well, you keep affirming that. And if you don't believe something different can be true of yourself, you're making that reality. It's never going to happen. If you believe it will be true, it is true, then it's going to happen. Okay.